Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Ipsy unbagging. I have the $25 Ipsy plan. There is a total of 3 Ipsy plans. So if you want to see what I have in my Ipsy bag, keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, check me out. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And so yeah, let's get into it. So yes, this is for the month of August, and this month is almost over with, and I just got my Ipsy bag today. And this is the bag that I have. And please note, I am missing an item. The package was sealed and my item was not in it. I did purchase 2 add-ons that I received separately, and I received one add-on, but the other add-on was missing because the add-on package seal was never sealed, so it was just shipping open. So luckily I did get one of the items that came in that package. So anywho, let's jump into the first item. So the first item is mascara. I think this is pronounced as Site London. I don't know, but this is the packaging right here. I will have it linked up there just so you guys know the correct, name and brand that I'm talking about. So this is a black mascara. It's in the color Black XXL. This is the packaging that it comes in, and then this is the mascara. I am wearing it on my bottom lash, and I have lashes on, but I did put it on my top lash as well. And this is how it's looking, the applicator, and I pretty much like it. It separates the eyelash. It also adds depth to it, so it does look more pronounced. And also, if you have not seen my last video, that video I am doing a giveaway, so please tune in on that video. I will have it linked so you guys can enter. This item right here, this is 2 eyeshadows that I'm going to be putting inside of that giveaway. I added lashes to it. I added like lip liners that I went to the beauty supply store and bought. So it's going to be a nice giveaway. So until I reach the quota that I said that I want to reach, I'm just going to keep adding items to it. So this will be in the giveaway. I believe these are eyeshadows. Next, I have face primer by Dr. Brent. I love Dr. Brent face primers. My favorite one is the matte one. This is the illuminator one. I like this one. I have it on right now and my skin looks really good. So I do like how it looks. It makes, I don't look like a cake face. So I do like how that is looking. I might have to start using this, but I still have a whole one left, and so I'm keeping this one, y'all. This ain't giving this not going into the giveaway. These things cost around $30 to $40, so yeah, I'm keeping this one. I like how it has my face looking. I'm wearing it right now, and on top of that, I'm wearing my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Mocha 360. And last but not least, this is the last item because the other one I am missing, which is my Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick. But it's okay, they're going to be shipping me out a new one. But last but not least, this is a palette. I'm also wearing this palette on my face right now. This is called the Vince Fling Bailey Saran and Estate. If I butchered the name, forgive me. But this is how the palette is looking. I tried to use as much shades as possible. The only shades that I did not use was this shade and this shade, I believe. And I'm very impressed with this. It was very pigmented, easy to work with, easy to blend. So I have no cons with this palette. This was a great buy. And I will be using this in the future because I love how it's different shades in here. So it's different shade range, so you can do different looks with this if you want to. As you can see, I have one that's like purple and orange and one that's like orangey gold. So next, I want to show you guys my add-on item I have is Glam Glow Bright Eyes. So this is a illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. So I have bags and I hate my bags, but you can't really tell that I'm having bags on right now. Just I don't know if you can really tell I have bags. But anyway, with my makeup off, you can't tell. But this is how it's looking. It's like a little sample size. I think it was like $3. This is right here. How much product comes in here? I don't know nothing about that, but it's 0.1 ounce, 3 ml. So if someone knows what that means, that's the amount of product that's in here. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.